Welcome back, Physical Science 20. So we looked at the convex mirror scenario and we saw that there's only one case. So rays reflected from a convex mirror always diverge, spread out. So that means they converge or come together on the opposite side of the mirror. So point F and C are behind the mirror. So in through F, but before it hits F, it reflects out parallel. In parallel reflects as if it came from F. So you can see how all of these, if we extend the reflected rays backwards, we get this scenario there. We get where the image location is. The ray diagram on the right represents how an image is formed by a spherical convex mirror. The figure uses two rays, but remember that there are an infinite number of rays that we could use. For example, I used one that comes in through C and reflects back upon itself. Ray 1 approaches the mirror parallel to the axis. The reflected ray is drawn along a slight line from F through the point where ray 1 strikes the mirror. Ray 2 approaches the mirror on a path that, if extended behind the mirror, would go through F, but before it gets there, it reflects off the mirror out parallel. The two reflected rays diverge, and the sight lines behind intersect behind the mirror to locate the image. An image produced by a single convex mirror is a virtual image that is upright and smaller compared to the object. One final note, field of view. It may seem that convex mirrors would have little use because the images that they form are smaller than the objects. However, this property of convex mirrors does have practical uses. By forming smaller images, convex mirrors enlarge the area or field of view, because you could put a lot of information in a small area, such as here below right. Also, the center of this field of view is visible from any angle of an observer off the principal axis. Thus, the field of view is visible from a wide perspective. So you can think of this, for this reason, convex mirrors often are used in cars as passenger side rear view mirrors, or often in stores you'll see convex mirrors placed up high because you can see everyone in the store. So to help alleviate shoplifting, etc., you'll see convex mirrors because you can have a wide field of view in this small mirror. All right, so with the assignment, take a look at that. So you have the first page here of the assignment, basically answering some qualitative questions, and then number 6 is where the drawing starts. And I've given a lot of room, so make sure you draw the principal axis kind of midway in the area where you're drawing, and you should be okay. If you want to get a piece of lined paper to put behind, that may help you out as well. Okay, so you should be ready to do the assignment. Check the answer key to make sure you're doing it right, and you should be okay. We'll see you again.